Get your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.
Using CSS, you can control the background color of your table header and table data elements separately by defining a background-color property for each element. You can also set the background color for the table as a whole using the same property. Our online example shows our table header and table data elements with the same attributes as the last lesson. And then we have our table header set to the background color of green, and our table data cell set to the background color of yellow. And then we have a separate table with the header, table data, and the table as a whole set to a class of 2, with the border collapse attribute set to collapse, a background color of yellow, and a border set to 2 pixels dotted and red. So you can see our HTML coding. We have our table with a class of 2, the table header with a class of 2, and then each data cell has a class of 2 as well. So the browser will display our first table with a green header and a yellow background for each data cell, and the second table shows yellow background for the whole table and a different border, 2 pixels dotted and in red.
Like what you see? Pick up your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.